Hello there, welcome to AutoCAD tutorials, and then in this video we are going to talk about users style definitions. As you may already know, in AutoCAD we have a whole predefined shape list with some useful shapes, but we have the option in this program to create our own unique shapes. And that's what we are going to take a look into. So let's start by creating our new shape with a polyline. Let's say I want to create my new bar in this shape. Okay, it doesn't make too much sense, but for representation, we are going to use this shape. Now, to make this polyline into a predefined shape here in AutoCAD, you will have to click on this plus icon at the shapes library. Click on it. And now you have a new window where you have to select this P-line or polyline button first. Click on it and select your previously created polyline. And now we have some things to predefine. Of course, if you've created your polyline with exact lengths, you won't have to do this next step, but if you just drew a random line, then you will have the option to make it more specific here in the variables tab. Here are all the sides from our original shape. As you can see, you can highlight it with your mouse. And here are listed those sides with the exact lengths from the polyline. Now, if you want to round up these numbers, you can type in exact lengths. For example, 100, 250 again, and 55. So these are whole numbers now. The next thing what you need to do is to give a name at this yellow box. I will give a name like 001. Optionally, you can also give a tooltip which will appear when you hover your cursor over this shape. I will show it immediately. Let's say test. You have to click on this green tick box, and now we have our new shape in the shapes library. If you are satisfied with your creation, you can close this window. You have to always say yes to save this shape. And now, if you want to recall it, go to the bars, and in the drop-down menu, here you have your new shape with this little tooltip which appears under the hand cursor. It says test. You can basically write anything in here. As you can see, the others have this tooltip too. So let's try it. I will click on it. I will leave everything by default. As you can see, we have the same parameters here as we typed in the window earlier. Those are the default settings. Now I will give it a number and a diameter, and I can create this shape. As you can see, it is exactly what we created. Now I will try to create a new bar with the same default shape, but I will differ from these default parameters. I will say this should be 300, this should be 90, 20. And now my creation is alive. As you can see, the basic form of it is the same, but of course the lengths of the different sides are other than the default ones. So that's basically it. This is how you can create your unique shapes in AutoCAD, and this is how you can save them in the shapes library. So I hope you find this useful. Have a nice day and thanks for watching.